I was awarded a sole source 8A contract, which was like almost $800,000 in less than a year. Are set-asides worth it when it comes to the federal government? Let's take a look. So there's a variety of set-asides offered at the federal government level. For instance, there's 8A, which we graduated from several years ago. There's economically disadvantaged woman-owned, HUBZone, Indian set-aside. There's this notion of a super 8A, total small business, veteran-owned, and service-disabled veteran-owned. Now, before you get too confused or jump into, I got to get them all, let me break it down to you. This is what every single one of you need to do. You go to Sam.Gov. I am not logged in. You can go on your phone, on your computer, your tablet, and you're going to go to advanced search. So I'll walk you through it. Sam.Gov, contract opportunities, advanced search. Then you're going to go to set aside. Pretty much everyone watching my content, you qualify as a total small business because you are a for-profit business. But for the sake of this video, we're going to remove that because many of you have been told the secret is having a set aside. That is the secret. That's the blueprint. That's what you need to do. So let's take a look at what these set-asides really are going to get you. And in case you're wondering, you have to apply for them through the federal government. You have to do that through the SBA. If you have a woman-owned designation through the great state of Florida, doesn't matter. You have to apply at the federal level, and it can take some time. You can enter them one at a time. You can enter several at once. So we're going to enter in couple right now. So I entered in 8A, which is based on socioeconomics, and HUBZone is based on where your business is headquartered, your physical address, as well as the location of your employees or team members. We're going to do the dates. Let's do the next month. So it went from a few hundred to 108. So you can see yellow ribbon, some type of wall repair, teleconferencing, training support. I believe there are anywhere from 3,000 to 6,000 8As, unsure of the exact number of HUBZones. But as I'm going through this, are there opportunities that stand out that you wouldn't otherwise be able to bid on as a total small business? I don't know. Only you can answer this. If you want, you can enter in a NAICS code. You can refine your search. I'm solely doing this so you can see what's available. Are these two set-asides a magic bullet for Sam.Gov opportunities? I would say heck no. There's only 108. And let's take a look at the number of small business set-asides. So we have next month, total small business, the different opportunities. There's 3,000, 3,000. I rather review 3,000. And this includes pre-solicitation, awards. I get it, but I would rather have more options. But here is where the set-asides really help. And I'm going to show you the other set-asides because you may say, but Kizzy, come on now. Maybe that's just for those. What about woman-owned and vet? You're going to see the same thing, but I'll have you wait. Take a look at winnersplaybook.com if you haven't already. The beauty of the set-asides is that you can receive sole sourcing up to $4.5 million. For the Indian set-aside, there are different kind of rules around it, but for the others, you can. So the value is in you planting seeds, holding capability briefs, getting with agencies so that they see you as the solution and want to sole source to you. That is the beauty of a set-aside. It is not getting the set-aside and then going on Sam.Gov. It is not at all. It's you getting in. For instance, the FAA, they love 8As. They love HUBZones. A lot of agencies do because it helps them meet their annual targets. They're easy to work with. You can sole source. As well as there are contract vehicles specifically for 8As, for women, for veteran, for service-disabled veteran. So these are all things to be well aware of before spending time and energy working on getting a set-aside to only find out, could have used this time to win a contract. I just interviewed a woman, Ty, who within a few months won a 6-figure contract. That was her first contract. She doesn't have a website. She has the capabilities. She doesn't have some set-aside other than total small business. Let's take a look at the other set-asides. Okay, so you can see we have woman-owned, economically disadvantaged woman-owned, service-disabled, and veteran-owned. For all of these, you must go through the process, as well as the ones I just shared, to receive these designations and to keep them. So you can see right now, within 1 month, there are 495. See a lot of repair, a lot of products, wires, products, pipe replacement, social media, suction unit, patio, boiler plant. There's some staffing. I love some staffing. This is a woman-owned or nursing. So let's do this. Let's take off veteran-owned. So there's a whopping 85. Now let's look to see which are solicitations, meaning you can actually bid on an opportunity. The government suspects they're going to have money. So 79, repair, wiring, parts. Again, are these of interest to you? Is this worth you spending months on end or paying one of the approved third-party validators to submit this on your behalf so you can receive a WOSB or economically disadvantaged woman-owned set-aside? Only you can answer. We have these set-asides, and pretty much most of ours have been sole sourced. We do have an $8 million WOSB effort that we've had now through a joint venture and then through my main company, KPC. We've had in totality, it will be 10 years. Other than that, mounting plate, command logistics support services, I don't know. What I do know is the answer is within you. By you getting a cage code, bidding, understanding what it takes to win, giving the government what they ask for, delivering invoice and doing it again, there's no reason you can't win at least one government contract in 90 days, 21 days. There's no reason you can't. The different set-asides really help you once you understand what it takes to win, when you're willing to plant seeds, when you're willing to do capability briefs, and especially in terms of the 8A, because that program only lasts for 9 years. So the last thing you want to do is rush. And then before you know it, 9 years go by and you've never been awarded a contract. Vast majority of 8As have never been awarded a contract. I was awarded a sole source 8A contract, which was like almost $800,000 in less than a year of having my 8A, because I had relationships. I knew what it took on the relationship to get. Only know you know the answer. Everything is possible. Don't forget winnerswaybook.com. If you need help with proposals, proposalthatwins.com. I love and adore each and every one of you. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification, get us over 100,000, Love and adore you. Take care. Everything's